family. Today we are in the woods looking for mushrooms. It's autumn, the leaves are starting to come down and other colors than green are also starting to come around. But today we are specifically trying to find some mushrooms, which we hopefully can enjoy for dinner later this evening. But besides that, it's all about enjoying the magic of October. So if you see these, well, it could be a sign of watch out for your shoes, because these are plants that grow in areas that are a bit swampy, where the soil gets very soft, and well, then you can easily lose a pair of shoes, or at least get them very dirty. The spirit of the mushroom is known for its ability to help thin the veil between the worlds. Mushrooms do the work of the underworld. They recycle, they transform, and absorb. They grow deep down underground from the womb of hell. They deliver their magic. Another one over there, half eaten. It's like it's a little mushroom village down here, with insects and small creatures. Nature is a treasure trove of magic and wonder, and we always look for ways to bring home some of the magic from the different places we visit. And while we didn't find any mushrooms to end off this adventure, we'll see what other things we can find to do some stuff at home. So we're back at home in the kitchen, and while we couldn't find any mushrooms in the forest, I was so lucky to find them in my local grocery store. So with that, I'm going to do a mushroom stew with some pig's meat, it's time to add the cream or coconut milk. And while it simmers away on the stove, I'm going to make some potatoes. So the mushroom stew is done, and I'm going to invite my husband Anton to join us because I'm thinking that he would want to taste this.
I'm ready to eat.
Good! So I better have a taste too. This is just a very nice autumn or winter stew using meat, whatever meat you have, and mushrooms. It's just a very nice and simple meal. I think the Vikings would have appreciated that. So that was all for now. Jeg glæder mig til vi ses næste gang. Hej hej!